stop playing with your toys? Don't stop playing with your toys.
Get those toys. Get them toys.
Hi, handsome. Hi, handsome. What are you doing? Are you chewing on a toy? Oh, you got yourself a hoof. You got yourself a hoof. You do? You do? What are you doing? Hey. Hey, are you chewing on the bumper pad? What? Oops. There we go. Get it. Hi, babies. Hi. Stop, Lisa. There's Ruby and Jade and Opal and Coral. Jasper, what are you doing over there? Hi, Jasper. Hi, Jasper. Are you going to come join the herd? You are? Puppies, puppies, puppies in the kitchen. Puppies, puppies, puppies in the kitchen. Here's our kitchen pen. Yay, our kitchen pen. And I keep losing. There we go. Look at you guys. Want to get out and play? You want to get out and play? Maybe later. Yeah, Mama's got to get stuff done. I love you guys. I love you guys. I do. I do love you guys so much. Play with your toys. Play with your toys. I just got you toys. Hanging toys. Yeah. Yeah. 50 cents a piece. Went to the secondhand store. I got them hanging toys for their pen. Yeah. And everybody's using the water bottle. Cool dudes. All right, say goodbye. Say goodbye. Say bye-bye. 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 You're almost to the wee pad, sweetie.